Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by locating the function row at the top of your keyboard. Look for an F key with a touchpad icon and note which F key it shows. Press and hold the FN key and press that F key once to toggle the touchpad off. Wait 1 or 2 seconds and test by moving your finger across the pad. If nothing moves, the touchpad is disabled. Repeat the same key press to re-enable the touchpad when you are ready. Press Win+I to open Windows settings and then choose Devices from the list. Select Touchpad on the left side and look for the on or off switch at the top. Toggle the switch to off to disable the touchpad immediately. Optionally enable the checkbox to leave the touchpad off when a mouse is connected for convenience. Close Settings and confirm the touchpad no longer moves the cursor. Reopen Settings to toggle it back on when you need the built-in input again. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and choosing Device Manager. Expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click the touchpad entry, and choose Disable Device or Uninstall Device. Reboot to confirm the touchpad is disabled or uses default drivers. If Device Manager cannot disable it, restart and enter BIOS or UEFI using the manufacturer key at boot. Find Internal Pointing Device and set it to Disabled, then save and exit. Unplug any external mouse and reboot to verify the change took effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.